Hello everyone, I am Vartika Kantpal from Saint Vidya Mandir English High School, Standard 2nd. Subject English, Lesson number 3.4, Topic Story Time. Nina's Dream. The story Nina Dreams is the story of a little girl, Nina. She lived in a small village where her parents worked in the field and her brother went to grassland to graze the cattle. Nina has had beautiful wishes as she wanted to fly like a bird, butterflies and clouds, and swim like a fish. Okay? Her mother told her that girls cannot do all these things, but one day a lady came to their village and started a new activity center. Nina and her mother was very happy to hear this because now Nina can fulfill his wishes and her wish can come true. She can learn new things at the activity center. Always remember, if you educate a girl child, you educate a nation. Please remember, if you educate a girl child, you educate a nation. Now we are going to read the lesson. Okay, children? Please remember, girl child should be educated. Now we will start the story. What is the story name? Nina's Dream. Nina was a little girl. She lived in a small village near Devagar in Konkan. Her parents worked in the field. Her village was near the sea. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. The older girls from her lane went to bring firewood from the forest. Nina sat under a mango tree and watched the birds, butterflies, and clouds. She too wanted to fly like them. What did Nina wanted to do? She wanted to fly like the birds, the butterflies, and clouds. Okay? When she saw fishes in the sea, she wanted to swim. What did Nina wanted to do? She wanted to swim like a fish. When she saw the sea, she wanted to cross it and see what is there on the other side. She wanted to cross the ocean, okay? The sea, and see what is on the other side, children, okay? Now, after dinner, when everyone slept in the front yard, she saw the moon, the stars, and wanted to touch them. What did Nina wanted to do? She wanted to touch the moon, the stars, okay? When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Nina felt, will my wish come true? One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had a bag, some books, and a purse on her shoulder. Who came to the village? A smart lady. Okay, she was carrying a bag, some books, and a purse. Nina ran to her and asked, what did Nina did? She ran to the smart lady. Who are you? Are you going to live in a village? What did Nina say? Who are you? And are you going to live in a village? Nina was very happy to see the smart lady. Okay, there was a visitor in the village. Now, see what did the lady replied. The lady smiled and said, "Yes, I am Rituja. I am going to live in your village. We are going to start an activity center here for the little girls like you." What did the lady said? "I am Rituja and we are going to start a activity center for little girls, especially girls. Okay, I also live and went to the school in a small village like this. Nina was happy. She held Rituja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddus. Rituja said, "Thank you, Nina. I am a pirate." "What was that, lady?" "A pirate. But I have left the job because I want to teach different things to the little girl from the village." Why did she left the job? Because she wanted to educate the little girls of the village. A pirate? Really? Nina's was jumping with joy. "See, mother, girls can fly." Ritu just smiled and said, "They can sail across the ocean too." Mother too was very happy. Nina ran out to tell everyone about the new activity center. Over here in this para, there was a lady who came to the village to start a new activity center for the girls, especially girls, because many of the villages they don't educate girls. So we should always educate a girl. It is very important. Okay, children? Now, some dictation words from the chapters. What are these? Grace, cattle, firewood, butterflies, purse, activity, offered. Now, once again, I am saying these words. Grace, cattle, firewood, butterflies, purse, activity, offered. Please write all these words in your English notebook. Okay, children? Please write all the words in your English notebook. Okay? Now we are going to do some word meanings. Cattle, cows and bulls are kept for their milk and meat. Firewood, wood used as fuel for a fire. Grassland, a large open area covered with grass. Pilot, a person who flies an aeroplane. Please write all these word meanings in your notebook. Once again, I am repeating it. Cattle, cows and bulls are kept for their milk and meat. Okay? The place where the cow and bulls are kept for their milk and meat. Firewood, wood used as fuel for a fire. Grassland, a large open area covered with grass. Pilot, a person who flies an aeroplane. Okay, children? Please write these in your notebook. Now we are going to do the match the following. See, they have given you column A and B. The first one, Nina want to swim. Second one, Nina wanted to touch 8. Third one, Nina wanted to fly. Fourth one, Nina wanted to cross 8. If you have read the story nicely, you can answer this very nicely, because they have told you Nina wanted to swim like, yes, they have given you in the story. Nina wants to touch. What did Nina wants to touch? Nina want to fly like a, and Nina wanted to cross it. Now see the answers. Nina wanted to swim like a fish. Nina wanted to touch the skies, the stars and moon. The Nina wanted to fly like a bird. And at last, Nina wanted to cross the sea or the ocean. Okay? Now please do this activity also. Children, in this story, they have especially tell you that we should educate the girl child, because if you educate a girl child, you educate a nation. Okay? Now, thank you very much, children.